no longer an IAS probationer. UPSC, or the Union Public Service Commission, has terminated her services as a probationary officer of the Indian Administrative Service. The decision from the UPSC came after considering the show cause notice response that was sent by Pooja Khedkar. What the UPSC and the Department of Personnel and Training said in a statement is that she was sent a show cause notice on the 18th of July, to which Pooja responded saying in her defense she needed to produce certain documents, and for that she sought time till the 4th of August. UPSC said that in all fairness they granted her time till 30th of July, but because she could not come up with a defense and she could not produce any documents in her favor by the 30th of July, a decision was taken immediately to terminate her services as a probationary officer of the Indian Administrative Service. UPSC in its statement said that it had made very clear to Pooja Khedkar that there will be no extension of time that will be granted to her beyond 30th of July. Now, why did UPSC take that extreme step? UPSC said that it actually scrutinized documents and records over the last 15 years to see if there were any anomalies, any loopholes in its system, and it came to the conclusion that Pooja Khedkar deliberately misused the UPSC examination system to forge her name, the names of her father and mother, her house address, her email address, her phone numbers, and thereby she duped UPSC and took many more attempts at the examination than was allowed. The charge against her also is that she faked her caste certificate and her medical certificate. The charges against her say that she was not eligible to take so many attempts since she was not part of the OBC non-creamy layer criteria that she availed of while taking multiple attempts. Her medical certificate, by way of which she pleaded that she had poor eyesight and she had some limitations as far as her mental faculty is concerned. Both of these certificates were also found, wanting by the UPSC in its preliminary inquiry. Now, the trouble doesn't end for Pooja Khedkar here itself. There's also a police case that has been lodged by the Union Public Service Commission against her, and there is an anticipatory bail application that Pooja filed at the Patiala House Court of Delhi. The order for that has been reserved. If that anticipatory bail plea order does not go in her favor, it will not just mean end of job, end of service for Pooja Khedkar. It could also mean that she would be possibly custodially interrogated by the Delhi police. That apprehension Pooja herself has expressed in her plea before the Patiala House Court. There's trouble for her parents also. Both of them in separate cases are facing police action. There is a possibility that police could also charge those who provided her with the allegedly fake medical and caste certificate with a wider conspiracy. But most importantly, in this entire matter, UPSC has been forced to relook at the way these examinations are conducted. UPSC itself has conceded that so far it used to accept certificates given by aspirants in good faith. But the Pooja Khedkar issue has exposed that there needs to be more steps by the Union Public Service Commission in order to put beyond doubt that the reports and the statements as well as the certificates that are being provided by the aspirants are indeed genuine. Like I said, records over the last 15 years have been scanned by the Union Public Service Commission, and they claim that it is only Pooja Khedkar's case which has thrown up this kind of an anomaly. This is important because on social media, several other civil servants from the IAS, IPS and other services were also targeted, allegations made against them. But UPSC so far has said that it has only found Pooja's case to be of misuse and action has been taken. UPSC has a new chairperson from today. Former bureaucrat and former Health Secretary Preeti Sudan has taken over as the UPSC chairman, and the commission assures that whatever steps needs to be seen or looked at to further strengthen the examination system for the country's bureaucrats, all of that will be taken into account from here on.